Hi, I am Pramoda Kumar from Bangalore, Karnataka. Thank you, Ava Academy, for accepting our request for teaching our kid abacus classes. And thank you, Sneha ma'am, a lot. We found Ava Academy videos in YouTube, and the way they teach very well. My kid, she liked a lot the process of teaching abacus, and it was convincing a lot. So she wanted Sneha ma'am as her teacher for abacus. So we had to contact her, and gracefully ma'am accepted it, and the relationship is going successfully for four plus months by now. And my daughter improved a lot in solving problems, mathematics, uh, and I really appreciate the way ma'am teaches. It's fantastic, and thanks a lot for this great help while creating bright future of our daughter. Thank you ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, my daughter started abacus classes provided by Ava Academy around 6 months back, and since then we realized tremendous improvement in her basic calculations. They have very small group of classes, so each kid gets individual attention of their teacher, which helps them to focus more on their weak areas. Also, recently we moved to US from India, so we were not sure if we can continue the classes due to different time zones, but teacher addressed our concern, and they adjusted the class timing accordingly. So we really appreciate the effort and helps given by the teachers and Ava Academy staff. Thank you, Ava Academy.
Thank you, Ava Academy.
Hello, I am Savita Khurana, mother of Madhav Khurana, who is enrolled in Eva Academy from last year. We live in Sweden, and he is studying online classes with her. I can say that since joining this course, his interest in maths has increased a lot. He can do 3-digit and 4-digit calculations with speed and accuracy. Sneha's focus and hard work towards her students made this possible. She generates interest, enthusiasm, and keep the kids engaged in online classes. Her fees charges are quite nominal. She believes in quality and so teaches in small batches to give a proper time. I would like to continue my son's for future learning from her. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you for teaching me, ma'am. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. We live in US, but we are from India, Odisha. So my daughter पाएंगे खोजुतली गोटे भलो abacus teacher, and I was searching in YouTube. Luckily, I got Sneha ma'am number from there, because I searched lot of teachers from YouTube, but mate ma'am को way of teaching and all mate बहुत भल लगिला, जोथि पाएंगे मुतम contact कली, and immediately she respond me back. Then there was a demo class. She then I thought that okay, let's go for a demo, and when she joined, it's like she's like family to us now. She आम छुआ को निज छुआ भलिया देखुचंदी आउ माने she is very disciplined.
टीचर रो सब गुण तांग पाखरे अछि. प्रथम जिनस हला से बहुत पंक्चुअल, डेडिकेशन, डिसिप्लिन, not money oriented, helping nature. आउ सबटु भलो जिनस होय कि से टैक्स असाइन करंती, आउ टैक्स केमिति आदाय हो से विषय भी से लागि रहंती. आउट सबटु अन्य जिनसटा हला कि मते जहा फील लागे मो पिला तांको पाखरे सेफ हैंड अछि. एंड स्नेहा मैडम जेमति पढौसंती, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट हर वर्क. शी इज वेरी डेडिकेटेड. तो सब क्वालिटी तांको पाखरे अछि जोतिरे भी आमे मोर देन 1 इयर्स आम पिलार बहुत ग्रोथ अबाकस रे होईची. So means आमे रेकमेंड करू Ava Academy, स्नेहा मैडम अंको पाखरे पिलांको पठेले भी बहुत सेमान का कैरियर ग्रोथ होबो.
basically she treats each and every student as if they her own kid. That is the key point. माने आजिकली जेमती business ही है but she never does that.
No, she's not a money minded. That is the main thing. Not a money minded. She's very disciplined. जो जिनसा कि सब भल जिन डिसिप्लिन ता सहित पिला ऊपर फोकस रखती पिलार वीक पॉइंट से देखती पिला को को माने माने को जिनसा पिला निहाती आवश्यकता अच्छी से जिनसा से ठीक भाग में बुझाती ता सहित जो टास्क असाइनमेंट दिखती पिला मानक दिखती ता सहित से फॉलोअप करती गार्डियन सहित गार्डियन मान ठीक से टास्क पिला सहित कम्युनिकेट करूसंती कि नहीं से जिनसा बहुत माने भल जिनसा जो क्वालिटी माने कि हाँ ठीक अच्छे आम यूएस अच्छु यूएस पिला माने बहुत बिजी से लाइफ स्टाइल डिफरेंट कंपेयर टू द इंडिया किंतु मैडम को से जिनसा भल कि से ग्रुप रे भी पिला रखती इंडिविजुअल भी पढ़ाती जदि किसी पिलार तुम ड्रॉबैक रोचे से जिनसा से माने गार्डियन को कहती जोटा कि मत बहुत भल लगे कि किसी टीचर लाइक नहीं हाइड करती से जिनसा को बट स्नेहा मैडम पाखे से जिन ना से बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड से जिन कह द्वारा तुम पिलार कोठी वीक पॉइंट अच्छी कोटा गुड पॉइंट अच्छी से जिनसा मैं जान
रियली AVA Academy rocks.
Yes, I yeah. You like it?
Yes.
You like
love
it?
Sneha ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
We all love.
Yeah, means she is one of the good teacher. Yeah, we will always recommend every kid to go and to learn and enhance their study in AVA Academy. Sneha ma'am also rocks.
Bye.
Hello, myself Karishma and this is my son Karnik. We are from Mumbai. I wanted to put my son in an abacus class, so I was searching on YouTube and I found there AVA Academy. The way of teaching of abacus there was very easy. The teacher teaches in such a way that kids can catch it very fast. So I liked it and I put my son there and he also loved it. The teacher is very cooperative and she gives attention to every child. So we like the class and thank you AVA Academy. Thank you Sneha ma'am for giving this opportunity to my son, and you made learning so easy, so interesting that everybody likes it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shruti and I live in Sweden. My daughter Gaurika has been taught abacus by Sneha ma'am for over a year now. Me as a parent and someone who wanted to boost Gaurika's mental math skills, I am very satisfied with her development and mastery in this area of mathematics. The quality of teaching is extremely high in relation to the fee charged. As per my vision, the teacher keeps Gaurika very engaged in the lesson as well as outside the lesson by providing a sufficient amount of homework every week. That allows Gaurika to constantly perform well in her exams. We hope to maintain a healthy relationship with AVA Academy in the near future and see our daughter excel as she is. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Manju Helawat, mother of Harshia Helawat. I enrolled my daughter in AVA Academy for abacus classes last year. It's been very good experience. I would like to recall those moments. I took trial class from 2 or 3 academy, and for me it was more convincing from AVA Academy. The teacher was Sneha ma'am, and it was so impressive getting the knowledge of abacus. And my daughter have improved a lot. I would like to tell you the mental calculation, the concentrating level have really improved. She like to calculate things by her own mind. I want to add one more thing. Whenever we go to shop for shopping, she like to calculate by her own, and which is very impressive for a 6-year-old girl. I would add more one thing. When there is exams, maths exam, arithmetic calculation have to do. Lots of calculation should be there, and everyone needs paper, rough copies to do calculation. But my daughter do all calculation in mind under guidance of Sneha ma'am. It's very being good experience. She is very polite teacher. She have a skill of handling children very politely. There is more important thing, which is the fee structure, which is very adaptable. Their monthly charges are very minimal. We can afford it very. It's not a big thing for us. Thank you so much. It's the best academy.
Join it.
Hey everyone, my name is अरमान और आज मैं आपके साथ अपना अबैकस का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाला हूँ, जो कि मैंने लास्ट ईयर से एवा एकेडमी के साथ स्नेहा मैम के साथ किया है। तो पहले मैथ मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था। मेरे को बड़े डिजिट्स के एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में बहुत दिक्कत आती थी। लेकिन जब से मैंने ये अबैकस स्टार्ट किया है, इसमें हमें नंबर्स के साथ मतलब बिल्कुल गेम लगता है। हमें ये नंबर्स के साथ बिल्कुल हमें गेम खिलाता है। इससे हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। हम मैथ का कोई भी डिजिट आराम से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। स्नेहा मैम बहुत अच्छे से आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करती हैं। उनसे हमें इतने अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हो जाते हैं कि हमें एक भी डाउट नहीं रहता। इतने अच्छे टीच करने के कारण मैं स्नेहा मैम से ही अब कोडिंग और अबैकस क्लासेस सीख रहा हूँ। और अभी तो मैं अपने कोडिंग क्लासेस में 3 गेम बना चुका हूँ। उनमें से एक था डांस पार्टी, एक रोबोटिक गेम, और इन सबको मैं बहुत इंजॉय करता हूँ। और मैंने फुटबॉल गेम भी बनाया है। थैंक यू।
Hi, my name is Ayushi and I'm from Australia, Brisbane. My daughter, she's 5 years old and she's taking abacus classes online from Eva Academy, and we are really happy. We are really happy the way she is catching up, and her mind calculations are pretty good, and the teachers are really good, I would say. And we have seen such a drastic change in just 2 months. So I would really recommend the Eva Academy. Thank you.
Honestly, abacus was completely a new thing for me, and I was not too much exposed to it. We wanted Advait to really develop his skills, and for that the foundation is a core. And in AVA Academy, Sneha ma'am, we probably found the right teacher. To lay out some of the benefits that I think, his concentration has really improved. And the mathematics skills, I would say it has gone to a level that it's very evident in his schoolwork. And the most exciting part is this is one class this guy really don't want to miss, and he really enjoys doing it.
I also feel like my memory has improved a lot, and Sneha ma'am has coached me to reach level 3. I have dreams to reach great heights to make my ma'am and parents proud.
Thank you, and good luck, Ava Academy.